We already made a video about how to make Lumpia Shanghai. You can watch that on our YouTube, which is the PD PhilAm Entertainment. PD stands for Paul, and D stands for Diane. PhilAm is Philippine American. So that's the idea that why we got that name. So today we'll be doing fish lumpia. You will just substitute the meat with fish, same procedure as it is. And let's start this. So I will be using a smoked milkfish, but it doesn't need to be smoked. You can use a fresh fish, fresh fish, like milkfish, any kind of fish that you think that would work. So it's your choice, but I want mine smoked, so it has a little smoky flavor on my lumpia. So this one we got it at Asia Market. I just need to, this is already boneless. I just need to what you call this one?
Split it.
Split it. That's how you split it. This is how you split it, like that, because it's already been cut on the middle. Just need to split it like that, and then just like this. If you were using a fresh fish, you can just bake it or steam it, and then do this, what I'm doing right now.
Explain that you're breaking it into chunks.
And I'm breaking it into pieces. The good thing about boneless, you don't have to worry about those bones, and then it's gonna be hard for you. So that's how it looks like. And now we'll just need to mix the ingredients together. Green onions, this one, green onions. Carrots, diced carrots. Then the chopped parsley. Then onions, onion. Where's the onion? A little bit of brown sugar, oyster sauce, just a tablespoon. Then soy sauce, teaspoon. Just adjust the soy sauce or give it some salt. It's according to your taste, because this smoked fish is already has salt on it, so I don't want to be too salty. The next and the key, and then last thing that we need to add is the eggs. This is the key. put some garlic powder and pepper. Sorry, I'm wrong. I thought the last one is the egg, but it's not. I'm bad. I'm bad. Then sprinkle some garlic powder. Ooh, I like a lot of mine garlicky. Garlic is good for your health. And then pepper, ground pepper. Peppery. There we go. Okay, and now it's time to wrap it. That's how you wrap it. And close on this, fold on this side and fold on the other side. I'm using beaten eggs to close it. There you have it. We're done. Just need to fry it. Now it's time to fry it. Deep fry it. Okay, so look at that. It's almost ready. We just need to wait until it's golden brown, so it's more crispier. Okay, and it's ready. And as you can see, it's brown. I will let those stay there for now. I have one more batch. Cooking my fish lumpia. Then that's how it look like. And then it's time for tasting. Look at that. It's good. It's a smoked flavor because of the fish.
I remember the last time I did this, my lumpia was snatched. I think I'm going to wait.
You want to have one?
See how good that looks? Oh man, it looks really good.
Eat it, hon.
Oh, that is delicious.
It's good?
It's good.
So how would you recommend it?
I recommend it if you like fish. It's really good.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
This can be a snack, and snack again, and snack on it again. This is healthy because it's fish, and all the others is vegetables and eggs. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and share our videos. And happy watching, everyone. Hope you enjoy all our videos, and we will gonna do more soon. More cooking. Bye bye.